Let's learn how to fix the TikTok page not available error. If you see an error message on your TikTok page but don't know how to fix it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to fix it. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When you open TikTok, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page with your profile, which opens when you click on the profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When that page opens, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a menu with several options will open, from which you need to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Content Preferences option. When you click on that, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Restrict Mode option. When you click on that option should be turned off. Once you've turned off that option, go back and make sure you don't have any video keywords. If that didn't solve your problem, then you need to check your Wi-Fi connection. But first, you need to close all the apps that are open. When you do that, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. When you do that, turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. But if this also didn't solve your problem, then open the Settings app. When you open Settings, you will be on a page with several options. On that page, you need to click on the General option. When you click on that option, a page with many options will open. But out of all those options, you need to click on the iPhone storage option. When you click on that option, a page with a list of all your apps will open. On that list, you need to find the TikTok app and click on it. When you click on TikTok, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Offload app option. When you click on that, wait a bit, and the Reinstall app option will appear in the same place, which you need to click on. When you click on that, it should solve your problem. That was a tutorial on how to fix the TikTok page not available error. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.